Perfect. Perfect.
Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, today I'm probably gonna make a fool out of myself because I want to try this octo curl. I've had this since Kimberly Sherrill brought it on the YouTube scene. It had to be like a year, almost 2 years ago, and I've never used it. I had to blow my hair out to trim it, and I figured it was a good time to give it a try. So here we are. This is what it looks like. I have the satin one, and it looks like you have this like band that goes in the front or on your forehead, and then it has these like tentacles, we'll call them, and it's 8 of them because it's called the octo curl. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all, so feel free to silently laugh, okay? I've seen a couple videos like when it first came out, but that was a long time ago, so I'm kind of just like about to wing it, trying to remember what I saw. So I'm gonna put this over my head. Okay, so the first thing I want to start off is with my twist butter. I'm going to use this twist butter from Alikay. This is their lemongrass twist butter, one of my faves. And I just want to put this on my hair. It gives me really nice definition and shine, and it smells great. Just kind of work this in on my hair first so I can have some kind of a moisture. Now I'm going to go in with this Alikay lemongrass mousse for a little extra hold, and so that my hair can kind of stick to the fabric, I guess. I've never used this mousse, but I'm sure it's grand. So I'm taking a few pumps of it. I don't want to put too much on because I don't want my hair to revert. So I'm going to move kind of quick. Make sure I have the mousse all through my hair. Make sure I have it on my ends. All right, so I'm supposed to take these as the two sides of as if I was braiding. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try to do it not like hella tight because I want it to kind of be like a longer wavy look. Put this on top of there so my end don't come out. And then we take this and kind of lock it, I guess. Child, what I done got myself into. Y'all, that ain't working. Look. Okay. Let me grab the end again. We finna try this one more again. I got the end. And it feels like it needs a little more mousse. Put that on there like that. Ooh, child, honey. I don't know what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna try to just tuck my end in there somewhere. Maybe I should have like rewatched her video, cause girl, I'm like, what are you doing? We might have action now. Okay, girl, it's tucked in there now. We finna see, y'all. This is crazy. I thought y'all might need a good laugh though, cause this might be hilarious. All right, let me add some mousse. I got a lot. Let me move quick. Okay, look at my hair. It's reverting. Hurry. Wait a damn minute. Okay, let's just look. We just gonna have to do it like regular. Okay. It's just gonna have to work. It's so far down though. Why? I don't have a good feeling about this. I really don't. I really don't. Give me some more mousse. I'm still sitting here trying to figure out whose idea this was, and it's still my idea. Okay, first of all, just let me say that this is some BS, okay? So I remember back when I saw those videos, I didn't like how like the top was like coming straight down and then it went into the curl. So I decided to put the octo curl kind of like around this part, and then I'm gonna do like a bantu knot up here in the front. Hey y'all, we have this octo curl in, so I'm gonna leave this here for a day or two to make sure it's dry, and then we're gonna come back and see what it do. It's been a couple of days. This bantu knot up at the top took forever to dry, but these kind of dried fairly quickly. Like they were definitely dried the next morning. I'm ready to take these out. I want to take them out on camera with you guys so we can see what it looked like before I start fluffing and separating. Ready? Let's do it. guys, so I have them all out, and these are what the curls are looking like. I think I'm gonna get a nice little wavy look or whatever. So doing that Bantu knot up at the top, it is gonna give me like kind of that same pattern, I think. Let me turn around. Let me separate one with you guys to see kind of what we like working with or whatever. Okay, my end's starting to get a little frizzy. Not good at separating this kind of stuff, so I don't know how it's gonna look when we get all separated, but you know, we're gonna try to do something, see if it turn out cute or whatever. Okay, let me go ahead and like completely separate it, get myself together, and come back. Okay, you guys, so this is our final look. Let me turn around so you can see it. So this came out okay. I'm not 100% mad at it, but I'm not 100% happy with it either. So this portion over here was like really frizzy, and where I had my Bantu knot was really frizzy. So I took this part and swooped it over to kind of blend it in, but I'm actually gonna like retwist this whole part to make it more like the pattern that I want. Most of my hair though did come out pretty good. It is moisturized, it's soft. The combination of the mousse and the butter did come out really nice. I've got shine, I've got some nice soft definition, soft hold, it's moisturized, but I just don't like that frizz up here at the top, so I'll fix that. So is it an epic fail? No. Is it like popping? No, but it will be. Don't worry about it. But I wanted to, you know, really just show you guys how it really came out before I started to like fix the top part. Would I try this again? Absolutely. I don't even think I would blow my hair out for it. I don't think it really made a difference as far as like length and all of that. It may have, I don't know, but I do want to just try it on wet hair. It would be a lot easier and faster. It was definitely more comfortable to sleep in than like a perm rod or a flexi rod, so that was good. And it actually dried fairly quickly except that Bantu knot part, but I am still glad that I left that part out. So I'm not sure how I would do that again, if I would do more than one Bantu knot, or maybe even just do some twists instead of a Bantu knot. Just so it does come out less frizzy. So you can always find these two products or most of the products that I use in my Amazon store, or you can go to alaknaturals.com and use my code Denise15 to get 15% off. Definitely let me know if you guys have tried this Octo Curl before. Would you try this Octo Curl? What do you think about this look? Overall, I don't think it's bad. I got a little sprucing up to do, but other than that, I think it's cute. So definitely leave me your comments. Please like this video, share, and definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.